In this video, we'll show you how to replace the brake light switch on your Ford Edge. This is located inside the vehicle and attached to your brake pedal. Let's get started. Looking up towards the end of our brake pedal, we find our brake pedal switch. We'll press in on the tab of the white connector here. You always want to check your terminals for any damage or corrosion. Now we can go ahead and grab onto the switch, turn it clockwise, and pull it out. You go ahead and line up the last bit of blue here with these two notches. Then we can turn counterclockwise until it's facing up and down like that. Get the electrical connector in, make sure that's locked down. Now you want to make sure to press on the brake pedal and make sure that the switch is working. You'll know the switch is working if your brake lights illuminate. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.